Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your bag? The Apple AirTag is here to change that, making misplacing items a thing of the past. This tiny, powerful device is designed to help you effortlessly locate your most cherished belongings, giving you unparalleled peace of mind. What makes AirTag truly revolutionary is precision finding, leveraging ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your item with incredible accuracy, almost like a hot and cold game on your iPhone. Setting up your AirTag couldn't be easier. Simply tap it to your iPhone and you're instantly connected, ready to track within seconds. Plus, with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, your AirTag can withstand splashes, spills, and dusty adventures, ensuring it keeps working no matter where life takes it. This seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, combined with the vast Find My network, means millions of Apple devices can anonymously help locate your AirTag if it's far away. Whether you're looking to track luggage during travel, keep tabs on your pet's collar, or just find your remote control, the Apple AirTag is an indispensable gadget. If you're ready to say goodbye to lost items forever, check out the link in the description below to grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon. No other tracker offers this level of precision, ease of use, and a global finding network built right into your Apple devices, making it a standout electronic for 2025. For anyone constantly misplacing items or wanting an unparalleled tracking solution, the Apple AirTag is absolutely worth it. And my top recommendation.